Good morning, dear traders. Amit Trivedi with GAN India Traders once again. So this is weekly chart of Marico. Marico is our chart of the week today. For next, this has been selected as a chart of the week out of four or five stocks that were shortlisted in our scan. So if we see this has a beautiful structure here for a very long term. This stock has been into uptrend with excuse me, with beautiful structure like going up, coming down, going up, coming down, taking support, then again. Here for a few weeks, for some moment, for a few weeks, consolidated in a triangle pattern here. Then during this pandemic outbreak, it broken down here and then fell down, got support here. We, as we have discussed in our previous chart of the week videos also, so this got support here, which was already a previous support and resistance, previous strong level. So this got, excuse me, this has got support here during this corona pandemic and started to rise again into this uptrend. After, if like in this uptrend here again at the previous level, it got some resistance, consolidated for a while, then has a breakout, and after this breakout also consolidated for a few weeks here within this range. And then last week we have seen a very nice breakout with a large candle and a very large volume, very heavy volume. If we compare this volume with other volumes, now see this multi-year volume since 2013, we have seen that this has been a normal average volume with the occasional above average volumes here and here and here. But again, what we have seen, these are some above average volume, this one here, this one here, and this one here. But this volume has a huge impact with this huge candle. So whenever we have a breakout like this with a very large volume and a very large candle, we can see that mm, some large funds or FIIs are interested in into this stock. So we can see that some large buying interest has been going on for some time into Marico. And we have also seen that this breakout has also created a multi-year high or a new high here. So at 473, and after this its breakout after 430. So whenever we have a breakout like this, we could easily expect the stock to move from 15 to 25% easily from this level. So from 430 levels, if we expect 25% stocks to move, it would be somewhere around more than 100 rupees. So maybe by 530 or 540, between this level, 530 and 550 or 540 levels, this may be our immediate target, expecting that for the 90% of the time, stocks moves 15 to 25%. And sometimes if the buying interest is very good and the breakout is very large, we may expect 50% rise from after the breakout level also. So so if it reaches out to 50% levels, we may expect it to rise till 600 to 650 also. So these are our immediate targets, 530 to 550 and 600 to 650 maybe our two immediate targets after this breakout. And if we see with the stop loss of this level, like after this 470, maybe buying between 450 and 470 levels. If we get a 450 levels, that is also good. And stop loss would be 390 would be the stop loss, or just below it, 385 maybe, or stop loss. This may be a large stop loss, but award will also be the um, according to this lot. This is stop loss. So we have a very large potential reward with a very large stop loss levels, but odds are in our favor if we buy into this favor if we buy it because assuming for this candle, assuming that some large fund is interested in buying into this stock. Yeah, before like I conclude, I would like to there is a time. It's time for a disclaimer. This study, this discussion is not a buy or sell recommendation. This is purely for education purpose, based on my technical analysis, study of my technical analysis, and my uh, strategy and system of trading. So that's it for now. Happy trading to all. Thank you. Take care.